This is my next project. As I was telling you, I'm gonna make my custom front splitter. I actually got me a box big enough, so this is perfect. You know, trace it all out, get it in. Power goes back as near the tire, right there, and make my custom splitter. Welcome back to another vlog. So anyways, today as y'all saw, I got my box finally, a little bit bigger one. I've been kind of dwelling it off a little bit because I had two different boxes I was going to put together and trying to make a splitter. I was like, oh, the hell of it, I'm going to try to wait and find a bigger one. So I found a bigger one. Now I'm ready to get back and get started on it. I'm going to draw it out and then take my time and order what I need. So, but anyways, I don't know if y'all ever, sorry about the AC if y'all hear it, I don't know if you ever had this issue where your airbag light was on, it's just flashing. A few days back, I'm gonna say about last week, not a few days back, so, excuse me, so about last week, I had an issue with my airbag light. It just said, as I was driving on the highway, it just turned on and started flashing, and then my other airbag light was on. So it was just in there flashing for at least a day, or two days. And I was like kind of getting annoyed with it. I was like, okay, I can't sit here and just watch the flashing. What is going on? I was like, I haven't touched anything, so why is it, what's causing it? So as I did more research, a couple of people on these forums were saying that sometimes this happens. So what I actually did is, it says, turn off your car, and then when you see the airbag light turn off, get ready to start flashing, turn your car off. You do that 5 times, and you turn it back on again and let it flash. You start seeing the flash slow down, and then you turn your car off and do it one more time. After that, I done that, and the flash actually turned off, so I haven't had any issues from there. And yes, so a whole week later, I still haven't had any issues, which that is good. And you already know where I'm going. It's always the same thing with me. You gotta work to pay the bills. Alright guys, I'll catch you out there. It is hot. One hell of a hot day. Yesterday, I want to say it was in the 100. It's like over 100 degrees. It was really hot. You can't even stand outside for a minute. Alright guys. On my way to go get me a bang drink before I go in. Ready for it. I don't have time to even drink a cup of coffee or make even pot of coffee. Make this trip really quick. Get myself on the road. Faster the better. And I know I need gas, but I'll probably do that. The one I usually get, but this one doesn't taste as bad, so yeah, no. Oh. Don't you love that? It's time for an oil change already. So soon. Yeah, like I said, gas. I'm gonna make plans to do that most likely tomorrow. As soon as I get done doing my other stuff. Oh look, it's a seal. We're back. Down here again, working on the car. Sorry for the fan noise, the fan's behind me. It is hot out here. What should I do? Excuse me. It is hot out here. I wish I would have done it later last night, but I got too tired, so I'm actually finished working on it. It's not the proper gloves. It's got some gloves, yeah, to keep oil from getting in my hand this time. So yeah, got everything jacked up. I got the thing off, so another oil change. But I'm not gonna go through this whole thing for the oil change, which I already did a video on oil change. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrapped up, get it all put back together, and be done. To get my oil done and no more, but I need gas. I had to do it. Just can't help myself sometimes. Well, laugh at me how I got it. So I actually traced out the stuff for the front splitter. It's alright. It's not saying it's like one of the best, but my lining is horrible, so I'm gonna have to go over it eventually and then see what else I want to add to the splitter. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So I traced out a line. I'm gonna go over it with marker. I mean, some is faded on that one side, but yeah, I'm gonna have to re-go over it again. But just to make sure I get a precise lineup, so it won't look all choppy. But yeah, she really needs a wash. Dirty. Look at all that. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah. All this dirt. That on the last clip that y'all saw, that was my niece. She was born a couple days ago. But yeah, it's exciting. I'm an uncle again to 3, niece, nephew, and niece. It is awesome. It's good to have family, and the family grows. So, other than that, what I'm gonna have to do, guys, I'm gonna have to pick this vlog up next time. I'm going to end it here. But so far, that's what I have all gathered. I'm working on my car. Tomorrow, I will do try to work on another vlog. I know my wife's gonna be gone with her mom, so see what I can do. But yeah. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and pick this up tomorrow. And I know you're probably wondering why is that up? It's not even Christmas. It always stays in the garage. Alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. And thank you everybody for letting me make it up to 108 subscribers. I appreciate it. It might not be a lot, but it's still somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. And it's awesome to see this channel grow. And people are leaving comments and asking questions. I love trying to get to answer people's questions as soon as I can. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Once again, don't forget to smash that button. Alright guys, peace.